Hey, welcome back to the Boy Mompreneur. I have an Amazon package. It just arrived and I am pretty confident that in this box is my ring light and both mics that I ordered. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and figure out if I can get all this stuff to work and get better lighting and better sound. And if I can, then I'll record my apple freezing with all my new stuff. So let's see. Mic number one that I ordered. This is a VXR10. This don't look like the one I ordered. I ordered the one with the furry stuff on it, so maybe the furry thing is in there. I'm not sure. We'll see. And then my little lapel mic. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use more often, but I got the lavalier microphone. Not sure. We'll see. And then let me put this on the floor. I got the ring light. UV size ring light. So let's see here. This, let me see, you can connect it to your smartphone, your smartphone, your camcorder, your PC, or your DSLR. I'm assuming that's a camera because it's got a picture of a camera. I'm gonna try these out. And then the Movo. Everything that I got obviously came from Amazon. If they work and you want me to leave a link for all my new YouTubers just like me, if you want me to leave a link where specifically I got this from, because if you go on Amazon you'll see a whole bunch of mics that look the same, a whole bunch of ring lights that look the same. Some price vary, some don't. They're just sold by different people. So if you want me to leave the specific link, I will, if they work. And if not, tell me where you got yours from. And then my ring light. Y'all, I'm so excited. Sounded like something was shaking around. Maybe this is what I heard. What is this? Oh, okay, this is the little holder. I'm assuming phone because my camera is way too big to fit in this. The plug. A remote. Nothing too fancy on the back. My photo shoots are about to be bomb for my businesses. the stand. It comes in this black case. Now hopefully it's just as easy to get it back in as it is to get it out. Because I don't know about y'all, but getting it out is the easy part. Getting it back in, that's where I start to have trouble. Because my house is not really set up for photo shoots and videos and stuff like that, which is why one day I hope to become an actual daily vlogger, so then I don't have to have an area set up for YouTube. I still have to figure out where I'm gonna do my photo shoots for my product pictures and stuff like that, but for now I need to be able to put up and take down, put up, take down, put up, take down. So I'm not sure what this piece is. Maybe as I'm putting it up, we'll figure it out. But it comes with this little piece. And this is the stand. Oh, this moves. Excellent. Here's the directions. Now y'all know from my last video on my magnetic eyelashes, which I have on today. Can you see? But I need instructions. I am a give me instructions kind of person. Now, I'm really, really good at just looking at the pictures and being able to tell what I'm supposed to do without actually having to read it all. But there are times where I need to read it. I need instructions. And this would be one of those times. This is the light. And this comes with these buttons on the bottom. These instructions aren't really good instructions. They just tell you what everything is. Yeah, maybe they feel like it's supposed to be self-explanatory, but newsflash, Amazon, it's not. That's gonna be a problem. Okay, I don't know how to get this thing to not tilt around, because that's gonna be a problem. Because if it doesn't stop moving, in all honesty, I feel like when I put the camera on there or my phone or anything, I feel like it's gonna tilt, and that's not good. Figured out where that goes, and that. Oh, now it won't move. Oh, okay. I think I figured it out now, y'all. Okay, maybe not. Okay, it's not tilting now. Oh, okay. This, when it's tightened up, it's locked. When I untighten it like this, then it moves again, and I can put it wherever I want. Okay. Okay, I feel much better now. I figured that part out. So, and then if it works, I will come back with the camera already attached to it. Now I will say this, I only spent like $30 on this, maybe a little more, as a matter of fact. Okay, so this ring light was $39.99. It feels like it was $39.99. So I don't know if you can see how I'm really trying not to be too rough with it, because it feels kind of flimsy and it feels like it will break. So I'm really trying not to be rough, but I mean, I'm setting it up, so. Okay. And I don't know if that's a good thing, the fact that it feels like it's only $40. If you have any maybe better quality ones, or if you have any experience with this one, can you let me know? Because honestly, I don't know. But since I'm starting off, as long as it works, this one will do. Because I'm just starting, I don't need anything too expensive, but I do want something that will last me a minute. I don't want to have to replace it in a couple, like a video or two later, you know? Okay, where does this go? And now it's time to see if it works. Hey, can you see me? Look at that lighting. Oh my God. I'm so happy. My videos are about to be so much better. And my quality for my photo shoots is about to be bomb. Yes, I cannot wait. Okay, so I'm in action. It works. I'm excited. So when I go to do my apple freezing video, guess what I'll be using? Now it's time to see if these microphones work and how to set them up to my camera. Yo, I'm excited. I'm excited. So I'm gonna leave the link to where I got that from. Like I said, if you have any maybe not really expensive but not so cheap feeling like I said, it works, so it's gonna get the job done for now, but eventually I'm gonna want something that I'm gonna feel more secure about. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them below. XR10 universal cardioid microphone. I'm about to feel like a real YouTuber. I'm excited. I feel like I'm a real YouTuber now. I have my ring light and my microphones, you guys. I'm excited. And I've got my little case. Okay, so they put, the mic is actually in here already. And I'm assuming I can take it off, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna just leave it alone. If it's not broke, why fix it, right? Now, how do I put it onto my camera? It's a better question. Instructions, people, instructions. I spoke too soon. Here they are. Okay, so according to the instructions, this one with the windy piece is for cameras, camcorders, audio recorders, and other audio and video recording devices. And this one, that's just straight, is for smartphones, tablets, or Macs. So it comes with 2 different cords that you use for 2 different recording or audio devices. So since I'm gonna attach this to my camera for now, and then maybe because this camera is kind of heavy and I don't be feeling like carrying it all the time, I'll probably use the camera at home, and when I start daily vlogging, I'll use the phone while I'm out until I get a camera that I can actually carry around all the time. Maybe like a GoPro or something. But for now, I need this one. Okay, so my camera died earlier, but while it was dead, I looked on YouTube to figure out what was going on and why I could not figure out how to get this mic on here. But I did it. Now, I still have to play around with the sound. I'm not sure if the sound is right, but I did get the mic on. So, it's attached up here. And if you have this kind of camera, then I'm going to show you why I couldn't figure out where this mic goes. But it's on there now. I got it. I got it. I'm excited. Okay, so on top of the camera, on this particular camera, I can't speak for everybody else's camera, but on this camera, this thing was on top of there. Now, it may not take a rocket scientist to figure out that this part comes off of the mic, but I couldn't figure it out at first. And actually, YouTube did not help me figure it out. Everybody was showing me how to adjust the sounds and all that other stuff, but nobody actually said, oh, by the way, if you have this camera, you have to take this little button off, and that's where the mic goes. I had to figure that out on my own. But I did it. And I couldn't be more excited. So, of course, I have to figure out how to adjust the sound to make sure it's not too loud, not too low, stuff like that. But I'm gonna get it. And if you can see, my lighting is better. I have my ring light set up. So that is all. Oh, I do still have to do my lapel mic, but honestly, that looks like a lot of work. A lot more work than I was expecting. So I'm gonna do that one another day, but I'll show you what it looked like. So this one looks like this. And then you put the where is it? This is the battery and the mic cover and an extra clip. Not an extra clip, this is the clip. The extra clip actually comes in this bag right here. So, and then it also comes with, I'm not sure where I would ever put this because it's too big for my camera and my phone. But if you unscrew it, there's that. Now me, I have an iPhone 8, so this actually it won't go on my phone because my headphones have to have this piece. Not this piece. So I probably always only use it with my camera unless I can find one of those pieces that I can hook to this to make it my iPhone piece. I'm sure I can, but until I do, I have my little furry mic. Where is the box? So again, I got this. This. And this. This is the ring light. So we set up the ring light. We set up the VXR10 mic. I showed you the lavalier microphone, AU100. I ordered them all from Amazon. I'll put the links to everything specifically in the description. And that's it for this unboxing video. Stay tuned for more. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you can be notified every time I post something. See you tomorrow.